Hello everyone and welcome back to another Marble Snap tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your username within the Marble Snap game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Marble Snap game on your device and you will be taken into the main menu. Now, during the time of your sign up, you are allowed to set up a username for your game, and this username will be visible on every single match that you play. But if you wish to change this, just click on the gear icon at the top left corner and this will open up the settings menu. From here, just scroll down and underneath the language, you will see the player name option. Just tap on the player name and you will be told that you can change your name just once every 30 days. So make sure you choose your desired name, and you can also tap on the make me one option to generate random name. After entering your name, tap on the confirm button and now this will change your username for the game right away. When you go back to the option, you will not be allowed to change this name, and you will have to tap on the I'll come back option after viewing how much time you will need to wait. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your username on the Marble Snap game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thanks for watching and I will see you again in the next video.